Okay, now that you've rolled out your slab, I have this sitting here. The next thing you want to do is smooth the canvas texture off of the piece. Some people say they love the canvas texture. That's fine. However, when you're removing the texture, you're also continuing to compress the clay particles and make your slab even stronger and less likely to warp. So I would still do that and then maybe send it through the press again, roll the canvas onto the piece again if you like that texture. So you can use either a rib, or I have this little 6-inch triangle that I like to use, and I usually hold it like this and put my finger in the middle, and the pressure makes the edges go up ever slightly and you mar the clay less. You can't ruin your slab at this point. If you dig it or make a hole, don't worry about it. So I'm just gonna come across the face of the slab now, and I'm going to smooth it in all different directions, because that's going to that's just gonna make the clay particles get nice and compressed, and we won't end up with a grain. Clay can develop a grain because if you just roll it or smooth it in one direction, all the particles will line up in one direction, and then it shrinks differently. If you end up with a grain going this way, your clay is going to shrink more this way than by the width, and in the glaze firing, it could end up warping. So this helps eliminate that. Okie dokie. So now I have the canvas texture removed, and I know I'm making it look easy. It just takes some practice. Put these in my pocket. The next step is smoothing a piece of newspaper over the top of the slab. Because this is a studio that's used by many people, you can't continue to work on either the canvas or the slab rolling table. So this, we smooth this on, trying to get as few wrinkles in the newspaper as possible. So we're smoothing this on, and because clay is very sticky, if we didn't put something between the clay and the board that we're gonna do next, it would stick to that board like crazy. So now, just smoothing this on top. I have this little piece of extra clay. I'm not even gonna worry about it. It's an irregular shape, and I'll use it to make a little design or something. So I have my board. I already tested that it will fit the slab. I lay it on top, and then I'm gonna use the canvas as a sling to flip the whole thing over. Now, I'm doing this because I wanna keep the slab flat as long as I can, so that it won't create a memory of being bent. So I lift it up, I'm just holding onto the canvas, and then flip it over, and then you peel the canvas away, and that's the other side of your slab. At this point, you can take this back to your table and smooth the other side. And you'll have a beautiful slab. You'll be the envy of everyone. Okay. Bye-bye, canvas texture. All right. That's it.